Dividend Master reveals 7 simple steps to generate passive income. Did you know that the top 1% of income earners in the United States generate a significant portion of their wealth from investments? And guess what's a favorite among them? Dividends. Generating passive income through dividends is achievable for anyone willing to learn and put in the effort. Imagine waking up every day, checking your brokerage account, and seeing your money work for you. So grab your notebooks, buckle up, and let's get started on your journey to financial freedom. Common misconceptions, debunking dividend myths. You've probably heard it all. Dividends are only for retirees, they're too risky, or you need a ton of money to get started. But most of these are just myths, roadblocks designed to keep you from unlocking your full financial potential. The truth is, you don't need to be a Wall Street whiz kid or have a trust fund to make dividends work for you. Chasing those flashy, high-yield dividends might seem tempting, but they often come with hidden risks. It's about making smart, informed decisions that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. The 7 steps to dividend domination. All right, let's cut to the chase. Here are the 7 simple yet powerful steps you can start implementing today to build your own dividend-paying machine. First, educate yourself. Understand the basics. What are dividends, how they work, and what factors to consider before investing. Next, define your financial goals. Having a clear goal in mind will guide your investment strategy. Now comes the fun part, choosing your dividend stocks. It's not about chasing the highest yielders, but finding companies with a proven track record of consistent dividend payments. Chapter 3. The power of compounding, your secret weapon. Now let's talk about the real game changer, the magic of compounding. Compounding is the snowball effect of reinvesting your dividends to buy more shares, which then generate even more dividends. Imagine this, you invest $10,000 in a dividend stock that yields 4%. Instead of spending those dividends, you reinvest them back into buying more shares. Over time, those reinvested dividends start generating their own dividends, creating a powerful cycle of compounding growth. The longer you let this snowball roll, the more massive it becomes. Starting early and staying consistent with your dividend reinvestment strategy is crucial. Chapter 4. Recap your dividend investing checklist. All right, let's recap those key steps to building your dividend empire. First, we focused on education, understanding the ins and outs of dividend investing. Then we defined your financial goals, your why for investing. Next, we dove into selecting those rock-solid dividend-paying companies that align with your risk tolerance and long-term vision. Remember, it's not about timing the market, but about time in the market. Chapter 5. Join the dividend revolution. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to take action and start building your own dividend-powered future. Remember, you don't need to be a financial expert to get started. Just take that first step. Educate yourself, and watch your wealth grow. And hey, if you're hungry for more financial tips and tricks to achieve financial freedom, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Start building your dividend empire today. Look, I've been in the real estate game for years, and let me tell you, nothing beats the feeling of waking up to passive income flowing into your account. And dividends? That's like the real estate of the stock market. You're literally getting paid for owning a piece of a company. Stick to the plan, stay disciplined, and watch your wealth grow. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday, but the second best time is right now. So take action, start building your dividend portfolio, and unlock your true financial potential.